Have you ever considered natural ways to enhance the well-being of your kidneys? If so, you've arrived at the perfect place. In today's discussion, we'll explore 6 fantastic beverages that can significantly benefit your kidney health. Honestly, I'm thrilled to join you today to delve into a crucial health topic, maintaining robust kidney health. Firstly, it's vital to understand why kidney health is so important. Our kidneys play an essential role in detoxifying our bodies by removing harmful substances. But how can we support our kidneys to keep them functioning optimally? A significant part of the answer lies in the beverages we choose to consume. While many of us are diligent about drinking water, we often don't pay enough attention to the type of drinks we consume. Common choices like juices, sweet teas, or sodas contain hidden sugars. These sugary drinks can increase our risk of becoming overweight, developing diabetes, or suffering from high blood pressure, all of which are significant risk factors for kidney disease. So what's the alternative? How can we replace these sugary options with healthier choices that benefit our kidneys? That's exactly what we'll cover today. Moreover, we won't just list these beneficial drinks. We'll also dive into the science behind why they're good for your kidneys. You'll learn how these beverages can aid your kidney health, and most importantly, how to easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. Let's begin with our first drink, green tea. Green tea is celebrated for its rich polyphenols, including powerful antioxidants like catechins. These antioxidants are crucial for combating oxidative stress, which can damage the kidneys during their continuous filtration and waste removal processes. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, green tea can significantly alleviate this oxidative burden, offering substantial benefits for kidney health. Studies have meticulously examined how green tea consumption affects kidney health, revealing several important findings. Green tea's ability to regulate blood pressure, primarily due to its rich catechin content, shows great promise in protecting the kidneys. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea are particularly relevant, as chronic inflammation can damage the kidneys. The compounds in green tea that suppress inflammatory pathways may help reduce the likelihood of kidney damage. Additionally, the antioxidant defenses provided by green tea's polyphenols act as protective shields for kidney cells, countering damage caused by oxidative stress. As a result, green tea may help preserve kidney function and slow down the progression of kidney ailments. Furthermore, green tea's potential to assist in managing diabetes is noteworthy. Type 2 diabetes is a significant predisposing factor for kidney disease, and green tea's ability to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose levels may decrease the risk of diabetic nephropathy, a kidney complication related to diabetes. Lastly, the antifibrotic attributes observed in animal studies with green tea compounds show promise. Kidney fibrosis is common in chronic kidney disease, and green tea's antifibrotic effects may offer therapeutic avenues to hinder or slow down fibrosis progression in the kidneys. Want to know the best method to brew green tea? Remember, to get all the benefits of green tea, use high-quality loose-leaf green tea, not tea bags. This ensures you are using the whole tea leaves and their valuable essence. First, pour non-boiling water over the tea leaves and let it steep for about 10 seconds. Discard this water to remove some initial tea compounds, eliminating stimulating substances and ensuring the pure taste of green tea. Next, pour hot, not boiling water onto the tea leaves and let the tea steep for 1 or 2 minutes. This process allows the tea leaves to fully open up and diffuse the essence of green tea, allowing you to enjoy all its nutritional benefits. If green tea bags are your only option, you can still enjoy their benefits for your kidney health. Try this method and feel the difference. Moving on to our second drink, lemon juice. Lemon juice also possesses significant antioxidant properties, primarily due to its high vitamin C content. Antioxidants are crucial in combating oxidative stress, which can harm kidney cells over time. A study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine in 2005 underscored the potential of vitamin C in lemon juice to mitigate oxidative stress. In addition to its antioxidant benefits, lemon juice can act as a gentle diuretic, stimulating increased urine production when consumed in moderation. Adequate hydration and mild diuretic effects help in flushing out waste products and reducing fluid retention. Moreover, chronic inflammation poses a risk to kidney health. Lemon juice contains compounds like flavonoids that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. This anti-inflammatory potential may help shield kidney tissues from damage caused by persistent inflammation. Start your day with a simple mixture of 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pure lemon juice, and 500 ml of water on an empty stomach. This mixture contains acetic acid from apple cider vinegar, citric acid from lemon juice, and vitamin C, all of which have the ability to cleanse your kidneys. Next, let's talk about black coffee. First and foremost, black coffee is a robust source of antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, which plays a vital role in reducing oxidative stress within the body. Research studies, like the one featured in the Journal of Nutrition in 2014, consistently highlight the antioxidant power of black coffee. Additionally, the caffeine in black coffee contributes to improved blood flow, ensuring the kidneys receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients vital for their optimal functioning. The mild diuretic effect of black coffee can help eliminate excess sodium and waste products from the body, potentially preventing issues like fluid retention. However, it's crucial to consume coffee in moderation to avoid dehydration. Moreover, moderate coffee consumption may lower the risk of kidney stone formation, as suggested by studies like the one in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology in 2017. This may be attributed to increased urine output and a potential reduction in calcium oxalate crystal formation. Furthermore, some studies, including the one published in the Journal of Nephrology in 2019, have hinted at caffeine's potential to alleviate symptoms associated with kidney disease, such as fatigue. However, it's crucial to exercise caution. Excessive coffee intake can lead to dehydration, increased blood pressure, sleep disturbances, and digestive discomfort. Monitoring caffeine intake and staying hydrated are key factors for those concerned about their kidney health. Our fourth beverage is beet juice. Beet juice is widely recognized for its impressive nitrate content, which plays a crucial role in supporting kidney health. When ingested, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, NO, within the body, a process that has been thoroughly studied. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and potentially leading to reduced blood pressure. A study published in the Hypertension Journal in 2008 established a significant reduction in blood pressure due to dietary nitrate supplementation, similar to what beet juice offers. Moreover, beets are a rich source of antioxidants, including betaines and vitamin C. These antioxidants play a vital role in combating oxidative stress and inflammation, processes closely linked to kidney health. Scientific investigations, like the one outlined in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2001, underscore the potent antioxidant capacity of beet extracts. In addition to their antioxidant properties, beets may positively impact kidney stone prevention. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2013 emphasized how beetroot extract reduced the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, a common component of kidney stones. However, it's crucial to practice moderation when incorporating beet juice into your diet, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions. Excessive nitrate intake can potentially negatively affect renal function, as observed in certain research studies. Our fifth drink is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is an exceptional beverage with numerous potential benefits for kidney health. Its abundant antioxidant content, especially proanthocyanidin, provides it with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally against chronic inflammation, a contributing factor to kidney damage and dysfunction. A study in the Journal of Nutrition in 2013 supported these effects, showing that cranberry juice consumption led to a reduction in markers of inflammation in subjects with chronic kidney disease. Moreover, cranberry juice has long been praised for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTI. The proanthocyanidin in cranberries acts as a shield, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thereby reducing the risk of UTI. Recent research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 substantiated this claim, revealing that cranberry products, including cranberry juice, can effectively reduce the recurrence of UTI, a benefit that positively impacts overall kidney health. As if that weren't enough, cranberry juice also provides robust antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress can cause harm to kidney cells and contribute to kidney diseases. A comprehensive review in Advances in Nutrition in 2019 highlighted the potential of cranberry polyphenols in alleviating oxidative stress and fortifying kidney function. But the benefits of cranberry juice extend beyond that. For individuals at risk of kidney disease due to high blood pressure, cranberry juice offers potential support. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2015 hinted at cranberry juice's role in modestly reducing blood pressure, a significant advantage for kidney health, especially among hypertensive individuals. Lastly, cranberry juice may even help prevent the formation of certain kidney stones, including common calcium oxalate stones. The compounds within cranberry juice have the remarkable ability to hinder the crystallization of calcium oxalate in the urine, potentially reducing the likelihood of stone formation. Our final beverage is sparkling water, also known as carbonated water or seltzer water. Sparkling water can be a beneficial addition to a kidney-friendly diet, providing several scientific benefits that support renal well-being. Firstly, sparkling water offers hydration without the drawbacks of added sugars or artificial additives, making it an excellent choice for maintaining optimal kidney function, especially for those concerned about their sugar intake. Additionally, sparkling water is typically low in sodium, a crucial aspect of kidney health, as excessive sodium consumption can lead to hypertension and kidney damage. Furthermore, sparkling water's potential to aid in kidney stone prevention is noteworthy. Some studies suggest that the carbonation in sparkling water may increase urine flow, helping to flush out minerals that contribute to kidney stone formation. This property can be particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of developing kidney stones. Moreover, sparkling water serves as a refreshing and enjoyable way to stay hydrated. Its effervescence and mild acidity can encourage increased fluid intake, essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Lastly, sparkling water offers versatility and flavor. By adding a splash of citrus fruits like lemon or lime, you can enhance its taste without compromising its kidney-friendly attributes. These citrus fruits not only add flavor, but also provide a modest amount of vitamin C, contributing to overall kidney health. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. Have you opted for any of the beverage choices mentioned earlier? Share your personal experiences and journey with us. We're eager to hear, gain insights, and collectively enhance kidney health. Your comments can be a wellspring of motivation and knowledge for others in the community. Together, let's foster a healthier future for everyone. Feel free to share your story in the comments section below. We genuinely value your contribution to cultivating a kidney health-aware community. Stay tuned for the next video coming soon.